record this for us. All right, so in our OG class, that's secret D for secret love, this thing. I'm going to show you how to fancy it up. Watch this. By the way, when I'm doing Harvest Moon, this is what I do so my hands don't cramp. But this little embellishment, okay? I'm going to take the ring finger and we're going to go to the 7th fret, so it's the same fret that our middle finger is in. Go to the E string. It's a B. We're adding a B note. So in the song, I already put it away, hang on. So the song will be, now I shout it from the highest hill. Get a little country feel in there. So now I shout it from the highest hill. Isn't that pretty? Try that substitution, that D substitution in other songs and see if it works. It might work in some places, might not work in other places. So very cool. Let me turn off.